Alright everybody, so now we are going to hop in the 2021 Ford Explorer ST and we are going to test drive it. As you can see, we have the new 10.1 inch portrait style sync screen. So this is a touch screen. Alright, off the jump, you can see we have 360-degree view. That's a camera on each side of the vehicle that gives you a really cool view, almost an aerial view. I love how that looks. I'm doing it just off that. So you also have the backup camera. You can change your backup camera view to this narrow view, and also you can have this triplicate view. And also, if you put this back in park, you can click this, you'll get your 360 view, but now you're looking at the front. You can look at the bigger screen of the front and narrow, and then you can actually see a 180-degree view right in front of you while you're parked. So that is one cool thing. Now this vehicle does have Sync 3. I'm kind of curious as to why they have yet to put Sync 4 in this, because I was inside a 2021 F-150 which has Sync 4 and it is really nice. But since everything is connected nowadays,
a call from Utah +1.
as you can see, there's the hands-free calling feature. And this is built in. Now this does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so if you just take your charging cord and you plug it in right in there into one of the two smart charging USB ports, you will be able to have native Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. If you want to learn about that, check that out in the video linked above. I do a whole video on it. But getting into the test drive, this is probably one of the most agile, peppiest, most powerful SUVs you can get. And I'm speaking of the ST in particular. It has sport tuning, it has Ford Performance badging on it, it has a twin turbo on top of a 3-liter EcoBoost engine that's going to put out 400 horsepower. Now, for the rest of the drive, I am going to really work this ST in such a good way. This thing is built to drive, and I am going to tell you now, I've never felt some pickup like this, like some power that this thing has for its size. So we're here, we are in the 2021 Ford Explorer ST. Now what I'm going to do is, you have drive modes. You can pick that right there. What I'm going to do is throw this one in sport. So you're going to see the cool little animation you get, and it does change the orientation of the 12-inch productivity screen there. So give this a listen, because this is mind-blowing, the power here. Wow. And these brakes, wow, their performance brakes, I'm barely tapping that. I just decelerated from the speed limit all the way to, oh, they have some road work going on there. It's time for a detour, it looks like. Just listen to that. You can just throw your foot on the pedal. Now listen, as the sport mode, it winds down these RPMs. That is a telltale sign you're in sport mode. Now we do have independent suspension. Oh no. Oh my god. you.